What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we are in the GTO, and yes, the mechanical stuff is all done on the car. So what is next? Well, you know, we looked at trading the vehicle. There were some decent offers out on the table that I considered, you know, between a 7.3 liter diesel Ford quad cab to a Pontiac Trans Am that y'all said, y'all were in the comments so hard. But today I need to see how far down the rabbit hole I'm going to have to go to get this car to be where I want it. And one of the things that we've recently just done is we just fixed that clutch line that was held together with vice grips and crimps. That'll be a separate video for you guys. But today we're on the way to Mako. We're going to Mako, and we're going to find out exactly how much it's going to cost to make this thing look right. Ladies and gentlemen, we're rolling here, man, and we'll make this light here in a minute. We'll pull up to Mako, and we'll see exactly how much it's going to cost to get this thing back to some semblance of a normal vehicle again. Make it look great, you know. Bring it back to where it should be, and that's what I'm looking forward to. I really am. I'm really looking forward to, you know. And it's two things. Like, two things are going to happen. If it's too much, if it's going to cost me like $5 or $6 grand to paint and do the body work on this car, I'm going to be honest with you. It's not going to be something I want to get into, because I could buy one with a clean. And I understand because of the print stuff that this is a special car, and yes, it has performance stuff all on it, and yes, I like it. In fact, I love the car, but I'm not dumb when it comes to making decisions on vehicles. I cash out when it's time to cash out. I don't like to lose money on cars, man. I don't like to lose money, period. There's a reason why I'm in the financial position that I am in life, and that's because I don't take losses. And you know, I want to see what it's going to cost. If it's like $2,500, I'm all in, man. If it's going to be something outrageous, I just can't do it, man. I just can't do it, you know. So let's go in and see what's up, and let's see what they quote me on the GTO. Whew. So this side of the car got hail damaged. I tried to do my own paintless dent repair. Yeah. That failed.
What year is this one?
It's an 04. Yeah, I have a hood for it. So the hood wouldn't have to be like body filled or nothing, but there's like a dent here. And I don't think there's any other ones on this side of the car. Yep.
Order.
Yeah, I saw this here on the strip. I got replacement parts for these, for the window channels. And this has been in an accident report before. They replaced the metal from here back to here. And I'm guessing they cut here, because I can see some body fill or whatever they did there. And basically what I was looking at was, I'm not going to PDR it. I didn't know if they could just mud the damn dings and spray it. What are we looking at?
First, I'd rather replace the fender if I can get one.
Oh, I can definitely get a fender. That's not an issue. I could even get a door. But this in the back, I don't know what to do with that.
How much is the door gonna cost you?
Well, it's a whole nother car that I can pick up down in Ada that the guy was racing. You know, it's missing the front end, but he's got the fenders, you know, like the engine and everything's out of it. He wants $500, but it's got doors, a full interior. I was like, yeah, parts. Because
what color is the door, do you know?
Gray.
You know the door that'd probably save you a lot of money that way.
Okay.
Door and fender and a hood.
Okay.
And then fix the quarter.
Yep.
You gonna hang them or you want me to hang them?
Hang what?
The fender and the door and the hood.
I mean, I can put them on. It's not a problem.
All right, roof, quarter.
I mean, I can put all the parts on it and then bring it to you and just spray it. I mean, that's fairly easy. You know, I talked to Randy. I can run it down to the shop and tear it apart.
Jack lid's covered too.
Yep.
Are you worried about the little light beams on this side?
No, I mean, what I was thinking about doing is maybe changing the color of the car to some like bright, you know, do basically the same BS that Randy be doing. Paint it like bright orange or bright green or.
Paint it inside the doors.
I don't think it matters for what I'm gonna do with the car.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna track it. It's gonna be a toy. Once I paint it, I'm gonna keep it. You know, I'm about 7,500 into it now. You know, I got it for $4,000 at the auction. And replaced all the suspension and brakes and tires and all the mechanical stuff's done. Now
You just want a basic paint job on it?
I want something that's gonna last for about 3-4 years.
Okay, so
Maybe a little bit higher than the.
yeah, if I go in and fix the hell damage on the roof, the trunk, I got pull the spoiler.
Yep.
Fix all the hell damage on this quarter, the roof rail, and the big dent over there on that fender.
Uh-huh.
And paint the outside of the car in a polyurethane enamel paint.
Okay.
I'm with somewhere around $3,300.
Okay. That's better than I expect. I thought you were going to tell me it was going to be like $5,000, and at that point I was going to sell it.
Hood and fenders and doors and all that, you probably would be up there pretty
Okay.
close. But if you can get a parts car for $50, got all that, or $500, got all that on there, then
Yeah.
do it.
Yep.
And if it's got a good trunk,
And it does. It actually has a good trunk
put
lid
a
too.
trunk on there, and that'll take some of that time out. Okay.
Okay. I can do that.
So when you get all that done, come back and see me. We'll put an exact figure on it.
All right. Sounds good.
All right.
Hey man, I appreciate
The
it.
lime greens are out.
Lime green's out.
Yeah.
What other bright colors do you have?
Plenty of them. We can go
Yeah.
through the trunk.
All right.
All right.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
All right, guys. So you guys heard it here first. It's kind of right at the line of what I'm willing to do. $3,300. You know, $3,300, man. Woo! $3,300. Huh. $3,300 to paint it and do all the body work on it. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's not bad. I really do. I think that could be that could be at the right number. $3,300, and then I'm somewhere around 10,500 into this car, and it runs right and it looks right. Now it's just all about what color do I make it? What color do I make it? Let me know. Vote for colors. I know y'all gonna say purple, and I'm thinking maybe a sparkly purple. I am. Or black and like and purple stripes or something. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section down below. But there you have it, man. We're looking at about $3,300, and I got a donor car. I kind of gave that away, but there's a donor car I need to go pick up. We'll hang the doors and stuff from the donor car, the hood, and I guess the trunk, and that will save us a bunch of money at the fender. The fender's kind of rusty though. I think they're gonna have to primer that and all kinds of shit. We'll see. With that said, thank you guys very much for watching. There you have it. There's the paint estimate for the car. Let's go pick up that parts car. do that in another video. And I guess I'm gonna start swapping parts on this damn thing. Oh boy. I don't know why I'm on an old school car kick, man.